Hi, this is Kenneth Travis, your hometown mortgage and real estate expert, coming to you live with another weekly tip. You know what I think about a lot? My Prius. When I come to work every day, I'm concerned about the safety of my Prius sitting in the garage all by its little lonesome at the house. What if a burglar comes to get it? What would I do? I think I'd cry myself to sleep. This is Danny Galvez, and this is what happens when you put toothpaste in my Oreo cookies and don't tell me till the very end. Gotcha! Seriously, if you're watching this video, Kenneth has a great tip that'll protect you and your family. Check it out.
You may have heard that people are now breaking into garages with nothing more than a coat hanger. And the way they do it is they'll stretch the whole thing out and fish it up from the bottom of from the top middle of your garage door and hook the emergency release. And what that'll do is unlock it, and within 6 seconds they're in your garage. So I'm going to show you how to prevent that from happening, and it's actually very simple. And all you need is a very small zip tie. You don't want the big thick kind, just the small one is fine. Okay, so here's the shuttle here, and there's this little rope here. If you go through the hole that the rope is in, then up through this whole top of the shuttle, and then pull the zip tie. That's strong enough to prevent anybody from using a coat hanger to open your garage. But if you needed to, it's not strong enough to resist the force of the downward pull on your actual emergency release. So that's how you prevent jerks from breaking into your garage.
So check it out. I hope you enjoyed that video tip as much as I'm going to enjoy that X-Lax infused chocolate bunny Danny put in my Easter basket this week. I'm so happy. Seriously, this is the part where Kenneth says, thank you so much. I hope you did enjoy the tip. He sincerely appreciates your referrals from your family, friends, or coworkers. If there's anything that we can do, please have them call our office. Don't forget to comment below, share with your friends, family, and coworkers, and let us know if you need any help. I hope you and your family have a great Easter, and be safe.
Oh, and I almost forgot, last week's drawing, or this week's drawing for last week's video, it goes to Donna G. Donna G, congratulations. This week's $25 gift card winner. Again, don't forget to give us a call, 903-331-0892. And until next week, make it a great day, and we'll see you soon.